Welcome to Scheveningen Beach, one of the most iconic seaside destinations in the Netherlands. Stretching along the coast of The Hague, this beach is famous for its wide sandy shores, lively atmosphere, and most of all, De Pier. Rising gracefully above the North Sea, De Pier has stood as a symbol of Scheveningen for decades. Today, we'll take a peaceful journey across the water, above the pier, and along the coastline, discovering its beauty from the sky. The story of De Pier begins in 1901, when the first pier was built as a wooden promenade extending over the sea. It became a popular destination for locals and tourists, offering stunning views, elegant dining, and a touch of luxury by the water. The original pier was destroyed during World War II, but a new modern pier was constructed in the 1960s. With its iconic pillars, circular platforms, and observation tower, this new design gave De Pier its unique shape we see today. Over the years, De Pier has transformed from a traditional boardwalk into a vibrant space filled with restaurants, shops, and even a bungee jump platform, blending adventure with relaxation. From above, the blend of modern design, historic charm, and endless sea makes it a truly captivating sight. As we drift above the coastline, the soft waves roll gently onto the shore, painting patterns in the sand. Beachgoers scatter along the wide beach, enjoying the breeze, the sun, and the soothing sound of the sea. The pier itself stretches boldly into the water, a pathway suspended between land and sea. From this aerial view, its geometric platforms and winding walkway create a beautiful contrast against the organic shapes of the ocean below. In the distance, the Scheveningen Ferris wheel slowly turns, offering panoramic views of the horizon. Its reflection shimmers in the water, blending human creation with the timeless beauty of nature. As the sun begins to set, golden light washes over the beach and the pier. The sky turns soft shades of pink and orange, mirrored in the gentle waves below. This is when Scheveningen Beach becomes truly magical, a place where the sky, sea, and land blend into one seamless scene. From above, the dance of light and water, the quiet hum of life along the shore, and the peaceful rhythm of the waves create a sense of calm, a reminder of the beauty that exists just at the edge of the land. Whether you come for the history, the views, or simply the peaceful sound of the waves, De Pier at Scheveningen Beach offers a timeless escape. Thank you for joining this aerial journey. If you enjoyed this relaxing view, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more skies with us.